Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to talk you through the steps for building a syntactic tree. And we're going to start with a really simple sentence, which is I love chocolate. Okay, so we're going to keep it simple and then work it up little by little. So the first thing we need to do is label the parts of speech. So you know that I is a pronoun, but for the purposes of syntax we just say it's a noun. Love is a verb and chocolate again is a noun. Okay. Now, what we need to do is add the subject at the sentence level. So this one, this I, goes straight to the S, the sentence level, okay? And then we need to perform constituency tests. I've talked about that in previous videos. We need to mark this constituents with square brackets. These are square brackets, these things, okay? Then number 5, we need to put the constituents into some software. Cross your fingers, cry, question your life decisions, and think, why the hell am I studying linguistics? That's usually the pattern at the beginning, at least. Okay, so this is the result we want to get to. All right, and I'm going to explain how to get to that result. So first thing we need to do is we need to write out our sentence. I love chocolate. Okay, I'm going to do it like that. Chocolate. Okay, cool. I love chocolate. So the first thing we want to do, when we draw the tree, we want the markings above it. We want the N like that, and then the V like that, and then chocolate, a noun like that. But that doesn't work for the software. If we're going to be using a piece of software to draw the trees for us, we need to do those markings just in front. You write it just in front, and you leave a space. It's the same thing, really. Okay, cool. Make sure you leave a space, so that's important. So when you draw the tree, you want it above it, but when you're using software to draw trees in this way, then what you want to do first is just add the letter of the part of speech just in front of it. Okay? So each word on its own is, of course, a constituent. So we mark that as a constituent, and then we mark that, mark that as a constituent, and then we also mark that as a constituent. Okay, cool. So what we need to do now is determine which constituents are working together. All right. So we said before, that's going to go straight to the sentence level. So what we need to do, as you can see here, we need to open up the sentence level. So open up the sentence level. So we open it up with this. That's opening it up. But we also need to close it off. We need to close it off at the end. We always have to have an equal number. Okay, good. Well, I hope that helps so far. All right. Now, what we need to do is perform some constituency tests. So, for example, love chocolate. Let's see if love chocolate is a constituency. All right, a constituent. I'm sorry. So, for example, I love chocolate, and Bill does so too. Does so too. We know that test from past videos, replaces loves chocolate. So therefore we could say that yes, in fact, loves chocolate is also a constituent. So those two words are working together. But what sort of constituent? Well, it's a verb phrase. Verb, V, verb phrase, VP. Okay. So, now what we need to do, the software won't be able to process that, because of these big gaps that I'm leaving to make it clear. But do that, and then we copy and paste this into some syntactic software, and great, look, that's the result. So I love chocolate. Okay, now guys, that looks really easy, but try it yourself. Try to do it with a phrase like, I don't know, Mary kisses Paul. Okay, let me know how you get on.